In this video, we're going to talk about merging and splitting cells. So we can make multiple cells out of one cell or create one big cell out of multiple cells. So I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet we were using in the last video. It's called 06 Contoso Revenue. I'm going to show you how to merge several cells. So we're going to select A1 through D1. So we're going to click and drag. We're going to click, drag, and then we're going to go up on the Home tab. And we're going to go to the alignment group. We're going to click the main part of the merge and center button. So this is going to merge all four of these cells together, and it's also going to center the text inside that cell. Now we're going to select A2 to D2, so the row right below that. We're going to go to the Home tab in the alignment group. We're going to open the menu this time. So instead of just clicking, we're going to use the little drop down menu, which is in the on the arrow next to this button. And this time, instead of merge and center, we're going to look at these different options. So we can merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells, but in the end, we're going to pick merge and center. So it's the same thing as clicking on it at the top. So now let's select A3 to D3. These are our headings for our columns. We're going to click the Merge and Center button, the little drop-down menu again. We're going to click Merge and Center. We have an error message that says merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values. Let's click OK. So only the headings from the first column remains, which is not the desired effect. So we don't want to do that. We kind of messed it up. So we want to hit undo. So we go. So we can hit Control Z, which is our keyboard shortcut for undoing. We're going to save it.